They're little kitties. Oh, they're scared. Yeah, so apparently now there's 2 more that we still have to get. I didn't tell you guys what we're doing, but Mackenzie's dad at his workplace found like these stray cats. Actually, I don't know the term for them. I just know that they're cats that we need to bring to the shelter or to the vet. So that's why we're here. Look how tiny they are. Oh my god, they're really like little kitties. I just came back in the car so I can turn the AC on for them. Have like a heat stroke or something. So I gotta go back out there and find 2 more kitties.
You can't be there. They're not gonna come out. But just get this your spot.
I'm scared. I don't think
It's alright, so we'll get to it.
No, I was too late.
What happened? We were too late.
They came last night.
No.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's all your fault.
I didn't have a cage
kidding.
last night.
Do you want to take them home? The black one.
Yeah. Or even the little scary one.
I think we might have caught one. I see it.
Go get my phone and call Daddy.
Hold on, let me see real quick.
No, but he doesn't know.
Where's your little baby?
He just makes the cutest little sounds. I want this one. He is so cute. He's over there somewhere. Okay. I know, baby. I'll bring you with your brother. Whatever you are. He's in the office, I think. Go to the office.
He's right there, he's coming.
It is so cute. I want you. He's so cute. The black and white one.
It's okay, baby. It's okay.
So cute.
Pull the other ones out.
I heard the track and I was like, that one.
When I tell you, open this door. I open it up. Close it.
Yay!
Close it.
Close, close. Oh, he's trying to get out.
All right.
Yay!
Down.
One to go. I feel successful. You got 3.
3 down.
1 more to go. All right, you're almost gonna go to your new home.
So before you take them to the pound, you want to take it by Nick's Deli.
Okay.
Oh, one of the guys might want to
Yeah, he said he wanted one. Look his ears too. Oh, I love him.
Which one? The one we just caught?
Yeah, the black and white one with the big paws. I don't know if they're gonna be short-haired or long-haired. They kind of have long hair. So the little black one, his name is Binks. We don't know if they're girls or boys, but I'm just guessing. Then the tabby one is Rain. And then that little black one, he's black and white. Oh, now you can see him. She's Nova. And then right now we're going to the deli.
So you gonna do it for me?
Yeah, we're going to the deli because my dad has a friend there that said that he wanted one of the kittens. So we're going to show him the 3 of them because we're waiting on catching the very last one, who's a calico. And he's being a little stubborn baby and not coming and going in the trap.
Well, we don't know if he's still there.
Well, yeah, we don't know if he's still there, but hopefully he is. By the time we get back, we're hoping that he's going to be in the trap. And then we're going to bring him to our local animal shelter and give him to them so they can take care of him and put him up for adoption. I'm happy with how...
They got killed.
Exactly, especially with all the construction going around. So my dad works at like a construction, town construction job, and there's like a lot of heavy machinery and stuff. So yeah, they were really scared that they were gonna get hit by the machines and stuff.
For not being a cat lover, they are really cute.
Right?
Because I'm not a big fan of cats.
They're really cute.
Are you gonna just go, bitch? Yeah. Do they get dumped there? Do you know that for a fact?
Yeah. So Well, I don't know it for a fact, but it's kind of pretty.
like
It's kind of pretty obvious because so there's no mother around the yard. There's never been cats around the yard.
What happened?
It just pooped.
Did it? Oh, that's the smell? Oh, I thought
It
you
pooped
farted.
in the.
I thought you farted. I didn't want to
No,
smell it.
it pooped in the fucking. At least
Oh, I smell it. No,
I
smell
think
it.
I think it's litter box trained because it literally pooped in the food thing.
Yeah, this kitty getting too comfortable.
I like him. He's so cute.
Do you know which one it was?
It's the black one.
Oh, he's marking his territory.
It's Banks. Alright, anyways, there's no mom around or anything, so then my dad thinks that some person came to the yard and dropped them off there and just dumped them instead of bringing them to the animal shelter, which makes no sense to me because it's completely free to surrender an animal and they don't have to know your name or anything, so I don't understand the point of just dropping these poor animals to defend for themselves. Like, these kittens are probably, I would say, around 6 to 8 weeks. They seem like house cats. They're not ferals. Definitely not. So, yep, that's the story. They cover.
Yeah, one of them just threw up everywhere. So we had to take them all out of the cage, put them in this bucket.
Not buckets.
But yeah, it's like a bin. Put them in the bin because they threw up and shit everywhere. And now I'm about to spray this off because it's kind of nasty. Okay guys, so we cleaned out the crate because they threw up in it. They're right now in this bin still. We have the crate open because we actually might give it to this guy at this deli because he wanted a cat and he wanted one of the cats. I think Mackenzie named it Bink, I think it was. That's the black cat, the all black cat, and I think he wants it, so we're gonna give him this crate and the other two are gonna go to the shelter. But they're gonna get adopted quick. They're small, they're cute, they're like, I don't know, you can just tell that they're gonna get adopted quick. They're gonna go to a good home.
Alright guys, these are the kitties. Yep, we're here at the animal shelter right now. So, say bye-bye. Bye, little babies.
Oh, but we didn't even show them. We actually found the last one.
Oh yeah, we found the last one.
We found the boy.
Right there, the calico colored one.
Look how cute he is.
He's super cute. So, now they'll go into a better home and everything.
And oh yeah, we only have 3 now because the other one went to
one of my dad's friends.
Yeah, at the deli. And yeah, so one of them's in a good home right now.
Yep.
Now we have 3 of them we're gonna bring in.
She told me she's so tired of love songs, so I put her in a cab, told her go home. Baby, I'm done wishing that you were mine, cause nowadays I feel like you've been wasting all my time.